Yes, sir. Why not?
Sure. No issues here. Yes, Simrat, so I can take your doubts. We have 5 minutes, like till Abdul joined the class. So yes, you can go ahead with your doubts here. Let me open the another notebook of the like doubt session type. Just so yes, Simrat, tell me the question.
X equal to
Just give me a second. Let me switch on my yeah. Yes, dear. So it's x equals to
3 plus 2 root 2.
3 plus 2 root 2.
Find square root of x.
Square root of x.
Yeah, like x in square root.
Like this is the value of x. You have to find out the value of root x. Is this?
Root x. Yes.
You have to find the value of this.
No, root x plus 1 by root x.
Root x plus 1.
Plus 1.
Is 1 in the root?
No.
Only root x is there, plus 1 upon root x. Is that?
Yes.
Okay. So Simran,
Root x only upon on 1.
root x is only in the numerator.
Yes.
Is this the question?
Yes.
Is there any root in the denominator?
No.
Can you show me the question there like this so that I can show it, like see it?
Yes.
Okay. Show me the question at least
1
once.
minute. This is the question.
A little bit. Just a second. Find the value of root x plus 1 by root x. Now you have told me it's like this. Is this the same pattern, Simrat? 1 plus 1 by root x.
1 by x.
Yes, Simrat.
There's no root. There's no root.
Is this the question? This question? Is this question? Is it? Actually, I think you have wrote down the question wrong. I think so.
No, it's the correct question.
Root x.
I didn't even understand the question.
Just give me a second.
Yes.
Is this the proper question?
What
Just
you
have a
wrote
look.
is the question.
Is this the proper question? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Is this root x plus 1 by root x? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So like Simrat, just a second. Can I take the LCM? Root x will be the LCM.
Yes.
Okay. So root x is the LCM. This is 1. So root x into root x plus 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Equals to root x into x. It will become x plus 1 upon root x. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you rationalize this thing, root x again and upon root x, what you will get? Root x into root x plus upon into my root x upon x. Just a second. If you need real simplification. Can you show me the value of x? Okay, x equals to 3 plus 2 root 2. Is that the same thing?
Value of x. Yes.
Show me the value. Just turn back your camera.
1 minute. Wait 1 second.
3 plus root 2. Okay. Okay, Simran. Just give me. Yeah, it's not 1 plus root x.
Then?
It is the value. Okay, just give me a second. It would be minus of this. Okay. I think you have maybe there was some misunderstanding of the question. It would be minus of root x. Okay. That's why I didn't get any factor. I was just thinking like, okay, is that clear? So
Yes.
Simrat, okay. So if I simplify this, if it take LCM of this root x, okay, root x into
Yes.
root x minus 1, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, one more thing you can do is that, or you can take direct x, inverse of direct x. Let's take one. Okay, 1 by x will be equals to 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If I take, so Simrat, if I simplify this using rationalization method, this would be 3 minus 2 root 2. Yes or no? Because we take opposite sign of the, in the rationalization of the denominator, I've told you.
Yes.
Okay. 3 minus
Yes.
2 root 2 again. This is a kind of formula is we are getting an identity, which is what? Can you tell me? 3 minus 2 root 2 will be as it is in the numerator. What will it become? Identity. That's not good. That's not good. A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B. Very bad, dear.
Hello,
I
sir.
said.
Okay. That's great. Okay, you said it. Okay. Yes, Abdul. How are you, dear? Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. What about you?
I'm fine as well. Thank you so much, dear, for asking.
Sir, sorry for joining late, but I
Oh.
just came from mosque.
No issues, dear. I can understand. It's don't worry about it. Okay.
Sir, you can teach extra if you.
Yes. Okay. Yes, dear. Actually, I will be taking a class of 1.5 hours. Like in this class will be of 1.5 because we are going to cover the chapter polynomial in this class, which I've taught you in the previous class. Clear?
Yes.
Just give me okay, Abdul, we are just taking a doubt of Simrat. So focus on this doubt here. Okay, this is a question. This is
Yes,
a
sir.
question and we have to find the value of this term. Clear? Okay. So this is the value a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. Yes or no, both of you?
Yes.
Okay. So a square is 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. Yes or no, Simrat? And Abdul?
Yes.
3 minus 2 root 2. 9 minus 4 into 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this will be 9 minus 2 root 2, 9 minus 8, which is 1 by x is equals to basically 3 minus 2 root 2. Because 1 is left in the denominator. Will you
Yes.
write the 1 in the denominator? No, na? Clear? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Now, Simrat, tell me,
Yes. Yes.
if you write x plus 1 by root x, Abdul, are you looking at the screen, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay, just a second. Let me do one thing is that, okay. So focus mode is on. You can both switch on your camera, like Simrat is already switching, showing her video. So I can only see the video of the students. No one can see the each other video. Okay, I can only see your videos. So don't worry about it. Okay. I'm the only one who can see your faces. Okay. Clear? Is everybody like, am
Yes,
I
sir.
audible? Okay.
Yes.
So Simrat and Abdul, if I add, this is the value of x. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is the value of 1 by x. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So can I write? So add both of them. So 3 plus 2 root 2 and 3 plus of 2 root 2 minus. This will cancel out, yes or no?
Yes.
3 plus 3 will be 6. Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear? So now you are getting x plus 1 by x as what equals to 6. Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes, Abdul.
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
I'm joining from another phone.
Sure. Okay. No issues. Okay. And if I have to make an identity of x minus under root x minus 1 by under root, I need to take some value. So if I do
Yes.
this thing like x minus 2, if I subtract minus 2 on both sides, axiom, Euclid axiom, if you subtract equals from the from the equation, the answer will be equal.
Equal.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Simrat, can I write this identity as root x square? Root x square will be x plus 1 by under root x square minus 2 into root x into 1 by root x. It will cancel. 2 will be remain as it is. Yes or no?
Yes.
And equals to 4. Equals to 4. Simrat, Abdul and Simrat, have you got this point which I have written in front of you? Can I write x as root x square?
Sir,
Yes, Abdul.
can you explain again? Because I came late,
Yes.
so
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. Let me explain this term again. So after that, okay. So this is, can I write x as root x square?
Yes.
Yes. Can I write 1 by x as under root 1 by x square?
No, sir.
Why? Dear, if I take x, I've told you the law of exponent thing. 1 square will be as it is. This basically this power will be distributed to both numerator and denominator in the number system chapter.
Yes, sir.
Abdul, I think this is your first class, I know, but the basic law of that exponent is that it will get distributed to both denominator and numerator. Simrat, are you there?
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 into under root x into 1 by under root x. This will cancel basically. Can I write this 2 as 2 into root x into 1 by root x? Because basically this will cancel this term. It will become nothing but 2.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So, Abdul, you can unmute yourself for the whole class. I will ignore the background noise. Don't worry about it. Okay. Because I know a little bit cumbersome method to unmute and mute again and again. So you can unmute yourself here. No issues. Equals to 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now
Yes.
see that a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2ab. Is this a kind of formula? Yes or no?
Yes.
Root x minus 1 by root x whole square. If you expand this, it will be basically what? Root x square plus 1 by root x square minus 2 into root x into 1 by root x. This is the expansion of this formula, a square minus b square formula. Sorry, a minus b ka whole square, a minus b whole square formula.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Abdul, is that clear, dear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So this is what I have written. So if I write this term as this, I'm not erasing it. Okay. Just give me a second. I'm writing in the another line. So this will be nothing but under root x minus 1 by root x square equals to 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you take Simrat, if you take 2, Abdul, if you take 2 on the left hand side, it will become square root of 4.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Simrat?
No.
Why Abdul? Why? Okay, let's do one thing is that let me take square root on both the side. If I take is taking square root on both side. So square root means power is 1/2 on both sides. Can I take that Euclid's axiom according to Euclid's axiom? Abdul, can I take, like, let me tell you what is basically in maths, we can add, subtract, multiply, divide on both the sides with the equal number. This is maths allows us, yes or no?
Yes.
I can take even square on the both sides, square root on the both sides, cube root on the both sides. It should be on both sides. Like it should not unbalance. Maths
Yes,
allows us to play with it. Clear? So I am
Yeah.
taking square root because I want to remove this 2. I want to remove this 2. I want to find the value of root x minus root under root x, 1 by under root x. So if I have to find this value, I need to remove this 2. After that, I will be able to find this value. Yes or no? Simrat?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We have to move.
Okay, Abdul, very good. So root x minus 1 by root x, this is whole square, into 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 2 equals to 4. Can I write 4 as 2 to the power 2 to the power 1 by 2? Now,
Yes.
Simrat and Abdul, these power will multiply, yes or no, according to law of exponent. Abdul, don't worry, dear. I will I will give you some extra classes on the number system chapter. Don't worry, but let at least focus on this concept here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Simrat, tell me, dear, is that clear to you?
Yes.
Law of exponent.
Yes.
If the whole square is n, a whole to the power is m, it will be m into n.
Yes.
Yes. So can I
Yes.
write this term as x minus 1 by root x equals to this? So this will be plus minus 2. Why? Minus 2 square will be 4 as well. Plus 2 square will be 4 as well. So I have to take both the values.
How will minus 2 square be 4?
Simrat and Abdul, can we please tell me minus 2 square is 4 or minus 4?
4.
4 na? This is a positive value. So if I take minus 2 as well, it would be appropriate because the answer is 4. So answer will be given in 2 condition as 4, minus 2 square or plus 2 square.
Plus.
So both the answers are correct. If the answer is saying, that's why I've taken positive and negative both for the value of 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Simrat, is that clear?
Yes.
So you can solve this question as positive as well. If you take positive here, you just need to basically add 2 on the both hand sides. And the same concept will go like this. Only the positive sign will be there. This would be x root x plus 1 by root x to the whole square. Clear? And the value will be plus minus, not plus minus root 2. This would be only 2 root 2. Because negative will not be there because like answer is positive and you are taking minus 2 root 2, it will be negative.
Yes.
Clear? Is that clear, Simrat? Tell me, do you know how to solve this question? Just take 1 by x and add x and 1 by x. You will get the value.
Yes.
And you just have to make this equation as add both on the left hand side 2 or subtract. It's up to the question whether it's positive or negative. If this is the value negative, you have to subtract. If this is the value positive, you have to add. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubts, Simrat, now?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Abdul, dear, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the previous class, we have started the zeros of the polynomial. Let's understand the term. So Abdul, in the did I start zeros of the polynomial with you, dear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I've told you that specific value at which the polynomial becomes zero is called as zero of the polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, in this class, we'll be doing the you can say the factorization method questions. Okay, I will tell you the middle term split and factor theorem. I've covered. I will give you the concept. How is it like how to solve those questions? Okay, so let's take more question on that. Clear? Just give me a second. Simrat, clear the question that I've taken to you?
Yes.
Okay, just give me a second. I think Simrat, I've given some homework questions to you. Have you done that? Have you done that?
Sir, I actually can't write. I got a glass piece stuck in my hand.
What?
I got a glass piece stuck in my hand, and when I took it out, it was bleeding. So now I can't write.
That's very bad. Okay, so have you take them have you dressed it up?
Sir,
Yes, yes, Abdul.
you did not give me any homework.
So basically, Abdul, that was your first class, dear. So that's why I didn't give. So after this class, you will be getting the homework as well, dear. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't worry, dear. Don't worry. Everything now you are in the batch right now. Actually, that was a introductory class. So that's why in the first class, we usually don't give homework. So from now onwards, you will be getting regular homeworks. Don't worry about it, dear.
Okay.
Yeah? Any doubt?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay, very good, very good. Just give me a moment. Let me take one questions. So just a second. Just give me a second. Let me take one question. Okay, so I've got one question here. So, Simrat, please take some precautions because it's not a time to basically, you can understand what I'm trying to say. Please don't be like very careless. Okay. You have to take care of your hand because it's exam time and you don't want to ruin your exams or anything. Okay. So
Yes.
I know that it's a little bit tough time because I already had same kind of thing in the previous week. Not in the previous week, before 2 weeks. So, okay. So, Simrat, actually, Abdul is new to the class. So, I will explain the factorization, middle term split and factor theorem again. So, please look at the screen. And after that, I will be taking the class to the last topic, which is basically algebraic identities. That's why I've taken an extra time, half an hour extra. Okay. So, clear? I will try to complete this chapter in the class.
Okay.
Okay. If not, in the like tomorrow's class, we will be completing and starting a new chapter. So Abdul, are you having your midterms or you are done with your midterms here?
Midterms are done.
Okay, midterms are done. Just give me a second. So let me just give me a second. So Simrata, have you got your date sheet?
Yes.
When's your exam?
Maths.
Yes, maths.
Maths is on 28th.
Maths is on 28th. So we have 13 days. Factorization of algebraic expression.
Sir, mine is starting on the next month, starting of the month.
Midterm.
Yes. No, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, term one.
Term 1.
Yeah, sorry, sir.
You told me that you are done with your term 1.
No, sir. I said
Okay.
I'm starting.
Okay. So, Abdul, do one thing is that after this class, please share your syllabus that which chapters are coming to your class, coming in your midterm. So let me have some idea about it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, because you are a little bit late, but I will try to cover as much as possible. Okay.
Portion, sir. When I will get, I will say. Because till
Okay.
now.
Not question. I need chapters here. Actually, let me know the chapters of that, like of midterms. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, very good. So this is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So basically, okay, we need to factor this expression. Clear? And I've told you one thing is that how many zeros will be there? I've told both of you in the class, like how many zeros will be there? Simrat, Abdul, can you tell me?
In what, sir?
How many zeros of this polynomial will be there?
2.
Okay, Simrat said 2. Abdul?
2, sir.
Okay, 2. Yes, correct answer is 2. Basically, this I've told you the degree concept. The degree of the polynomial defines how many zeros will be there of that polynomial. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt, dear?
No, sir.
Okay. So which means that we will get 2 factors of this basically polynomial. So basically, have you heard the word middle term split?
Yes, sir.
So middle term split do what? Basically, we have to split this word as like that. So if you add them, you will get the value of the middle term. And if you multiply, you should get the value of A and C. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
by multiplying, you should get A, C equals to 6x square. And by adding, you should get A plus, not A. And by adding, you should get 7. X should be like you have to split that thing. It should be, if you add them or subtract something from this middle term, you should get it for 7x. Clear? So can I write this term as 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3? Yes or no? The first, or you can say the another method to find out the value of the, you can say, middle factor is that take LCM. Take LCM. Suppose this is the thing, 6. 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So now you have got 3 factors. This is your LCM. Yes or no? This is how you take LCMs. Abdul, Simrat.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So you can tell me that you should get 6x square as the multiplicative term. Clear? Now tell me, say 2 into 3, if you take this pair, you have to arrange these pairs in such a manner that if you multiply them, you should get the value of the constant and x square coefficient. And if you add them, you should get the middle term. So 6 into 1, are you getting 6? Yes or no? Which means that we are getting the coefficient. Clear? And if you add them, 6 plus 1 equals to 7. So we are getting the middle term. So we need to split this term, middle term, as 6 plus 1. Or clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So 6x plus x. So that's how I have split it. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now tell me what is the common in this pair and this pair. Let me know.
Sir, X.
Okay, so only x. Simrat?
And 2.
Yes.
2 and x.
2 and x. 2x basically, not 2 and x. It's 2x. Because 2x is common. 2x is also common because it's 6. It's a multiple of 2.
Yes.
So x will be left here. 2 into x, x square. And only x is already taken out and 2 is already taken out. So what is left? 3.
Yes.
Please let me know yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Plus. Now tell me, what should I take common here?
1.
1. Plus 1, minus 1.
Plus 1.
Plus 1. Very good. Because both the terms are positive. We don't need to take any, because this is also positive now. We have to make this term like this term as well. That's how, if both terms are common, after that you can take out common. So this will be positive 1. Take out the common here, x plus 3 into 2x plus 1, yes or no?
Yes.
Abdul, Simrat?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, if you need to find out the value of 0, you have to equate the factors to
0.
0. Abdul,
Yes, sir.
when you have to find out, when you got the factors, these are factors now. You
Yes,
have
sir.
factorized this thing, and you find out the like if you have to find out the value of zeros, you have to equate these factors to 0 individually. So first factor will be x plus 3.
Yeah, express.
X plus 3 will be equals to 0, and 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So x is minus 3 or 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, because 2x equals to minus 1 and x equals to minus 1 by 2. Have you got this? Yes or no? Please be honest.
How
Sure.
is x equal to 1 by 2?
This is 2x plus 1. It will get negative if we shift the value, if they shift the value on like 1 on the right hand side, and 2 will become in denominator if it's because it's in multiplication.
Oh, yeah.
Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Abdul, dear, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me tell you one thing is that factor theorem basically. Let me take one question on it and I will explain it to you. Actually, I have written the statement is that. Let me tell you the first statement. What is factor theorem? So factor theorem says that if a polynomial is of degree n equals like either greater than 1 or equals to 1. Like the thing is that the degree of the polynomial at least should be 1 or greater than 1. Clear? Abdul, are you listening me?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So the two statements are there of the factor theorem. It says that if polynomial is becoming 0, if polynomial is becoming 0, it means that x minus a is a factor of polynomial. Clear? Abdul?
Yes.
Is this clear? If polynomial is becoming 0, I've told you that polynomial will become 0 at a specific value, which is 0 of the polynomial. Yes or no?
Yes.
So with the question, that's the same statement here. If polynomial is becoming 0, so will it be a factor, yes or no, of polynomial x minus a? Like in this question, tell me, dear, if you have basically these are called factors. These are called
Yes,
factors.
yeah.
So if basically tell me if the value is making the polynomial 0, are these factor or not?
Factors, sir.
They are factors. So that's what the statement is saying, factor theorem.
Yeah.
Clear? This is the first statement. Next statement is that if x minus a is a factor of px, if x minus a is a factor of px, it will make the polynomial 0. Let's take this example. If this is a factor of this polynomial, it will make the polynomial 0 or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Because if you take, let's put the value minus 3 into the equals to 2 into minus 3 square plus 7 into minus 3 plus 3. So 2 into 9 minus 21 plus 3. 18 minus 21 plus 3. This is equals to 0. 18 plus 3 21, and 21 minus 21 is 0. So it is satisfying the condition, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that's what factor theorem is. Clear? It's nothing but these are like it's a statement type thing of factor, the middle term split or 0 of the polynomial. So let's take one example of the factor theorem, and I will explain to you how you will solve the fact. Sorry. the factor theorem questions. So it's a question here. So Abdul and Simrat, there is an assessment after this class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So basically, I will explain use Abdul what is basically assessment. Don't worry about it. It's on the app. Okay. MCQ questions will be there. Clear. I will explain to you in the later part of the class. Clear. So that's the question. You have to find out whether this is the factor or not of this polynomial. So if it's a factor of this polynomial, it will make the polynomial 0 or not. Yes.
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
X plus 1 is equal to 0.
X plus 1 equals to 0. So the value of x will be -1. So at -1, it will make the polynomial 0 if it's a factor. So let's find out the 0.
Yes, sir.
The 0 of gx. Gx is the polynomial name. This is the polynomial name gx. Will be x plus 1 equals to 0. So this will be x minus 1. So p of -1 should be 0 if this is a factor. If this is a factor. So we need
Sir,
to find out
it is
whether it's 0 or not. Yes, Abdullah, you are saying something?
It is a factor, sir. Answer is 0.
Very good. So you are solving simultaneously. Very good, dear. That's a good thing.
Sir, I'm doing in rough.
Yes, very good, dear. That's a good thing. Like you are solving in the class itself. Very good. We need to just put the value of -1 in place of x. So now tell me, is this a positive one or a negative one? I've told you, Simrat and Abdul, in the previous class, I think, that odd number times multiplication and even number time multiplication of negative.
Negative, sir.
Okay, Abdul said negative. Zaina, Simrat?
Negative.
Okay, very good. Why?
Because it's multiplicating odd number of times.
Very good. Because we are multiplying the negative number odd times. So this will be -1. And will it be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Very good. Minus into minus, will it be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Very good. -1. So -2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. This negative will cancel out this thing, and this -2 will cancel out this. So it is equals to 0. So which means that g of x is the factor of px. You have to write down the solution in the school like this way. Clear? This is the proper method to write down the solution. Simrat and Abdul, please let me know, is that clear to you? Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No.
No, sir. Clear.
Simrat, are you fine?
Yes.
Actually, your voice is a little bit tiredness. I think you're not feeling well.
My hand is hurting.
Yes, I know. I can understand here, but it's a important class, and your exam times are just like around the corner, so you need to take the class here.
Yes.
Don't worry if you can't write. At least try to understand the things. Okay.
Yes.
I can understand that you are like your mind is a little bit disturbing right now because of the wound. So this is the last question on the factor theorem, and after that we'll be doing the algebraic identities, because I've dedicated this specific class to the algebraic, but we have used our half time. So we need to shift, like basically shift on that topic as well. So let's find out the, okay. So the question is saying that we need to find out whether g of x is a factor of p of x or not. So Abdul and Simrat, can I write the 0 of g of x will be
Sir,
x plus 2. Yes, Abdul dear.
can you give me 2 minutes to solve?
Yes, Abdul dear. Sure, you can. Actually, Simrat, the hand is not is not in working position because she is having some kind of wound in her hand. So I need to solve it and explain it to her. Okay, so if you are doing so, you can. If not, I will be explaining it on the screen right now. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. So Simrat, can you have got the value of g of x? So which means that if it's a factor, so it should make this polynomial 0 or not?
Yes.
It will make the polynomial 0, yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. So we need to find out the value of polynomial at p minus 2. So put the value p minus 2, value of x in, okay, plus 3 minus 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 1. Clear?
Yes.
Negative 8, positive 8.
Negative.
Negative, very good. Plus 3 into positive 4, negative 4.
Positive.
Sir, I have done. Can I show the answer?
Okay. Let's you can see, you can verify. Okay. Actually, a little bit blurry picture is coming, so that's why I'm not able to look at it. So it's -1. Is it -1 actually?
Yes, sir. -1.
Okay. So let's verify. Abdul. Okay.
Sir, gx is not the factor of px.
Gx is not a factor of px. So let's verify. Okay, you are saying it's not a factor of this. So 3 into -2, it would be negative of 6. Yes or no?
Sir, plus 1.
Plus 1. Very good. So -8. 3 into 4 is 12. -6 plus 1. So it is
-14.
very good. -14
Plus 13.
plus 13. It is -1. So is this factor making polynomial 0?
No.
No, na. So you will say that gx is not
Factor of px.
factor of
Px.
So Simrat and Abdul, please dear, let me know whether this is have you got this or not, because I want honest answer from both of you.
Clear, sir. Yeah.
Very good. I'm happy both of you are responding. That's a very good sign. Very good. Is that clear? Sure.
Yes.
Shall we move forward?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So let's write down the, let's take the thing, algebraic identities basically. Like I need to basically factorization of polynomial I've done in the previous slide as so I just, you can say, let me remove this page and let's start the algebraic identities. So let me write down some basic identities which you have already done in the 8th class, but I will be taking as well here. Okay. So because it's also in 9th syllabus, so I'm not going to skip that thing. Clear? The first identity is x plus y whole square. Okay, Abdul, can you tell me the expansion of this identity here?
Sir, yes.
Yes, tell me.
X square
X square
plus 2xy
2xy
plus y square. Sorry,
very
y
good.
to the power 2.
Y square. Very good, dear. Very good. Simrat, now your turn. X minus y whole square.
X square
X square
minus 2xy
minus 2xy
plus y square.
plus y square. Very good. Third identity. X square minus y square. Abdul, your turn.
X square minus y square.
Yes, tell me, dear, what's the expansion of this identity?
Yeah. X plus y.
X plus y.
X minus y.
X minus y. Very good. Okay, Simrat, now your turn. X minus a into x minus b. Not x minus a, x plus a. Sorry, x plus a, x plus. Yes, Simrat, tell me. Do you know any? Do you have any idea? If not,
Sir,
don't worry about it. Just yes, just a second, Abdul. Let Simrat answer. If not, that question will be passed to you.
X square
X square
plus
plus
A plus B
a plus b
into
into x plus
into X plus AC.
ab, not ac. Very good.
Okay.
Abdul, have you got this point, dear?
yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any of you?
No, sir. I have learned this.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So these are very important the algebraic identity is a very important topic. You will be getting a 5 marker from this. I'm sure that you will at least get 1 5 marker question from this, or either 3 marker. So 5 or 3, it's confirmed. From this topic, you are getting 1 question, either 3 marks or 5 marks. Okay, so don't underestimate this topic. Clear? So let's take some questions here. How to basically apply these identities in the questions. Clear, all of you?
Clear, sir.
Very good. Okay, so let's do that thing. First thing, x plus 3 and x plus 3. Now tell me, both the factors are same, yes or no? If
Yes.
the bases are same and they are in multiplication, the power will get?
Multiplied.
The power will get multiply or add, Simrat? Abdul,
Add.
Add,
add
sir.
now. X plus 3 whole square. Whole square is nothing but the factor is multiplying by itself. Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear? Sure?
Yes.
Any doubt?
Yes. No.
Very good. So now you have in this question, you are having x plus y whole square. Can you tell me the value? X square plus 2 into 3 into x plus 3 square. Yes or no? X square plus 2xy plus y square. So x square plus 6x plus 9. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Let's take another one. Second question. X minus 3 and x plus 5. Now in this question, you can I write this thing as x plus minus of 3 into x plus 5. Now you can see that x plus a, x plus b. Yes or no? X plus a and x plus b. Why I have, if you basically remove this bracket, this will become x minus 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
I have just attached this bracket with this term minus 3 because I have to make this identity in this way: x plus a into x minus x plus a into x plus b. Now, if you basically don't put the minus 3 in the bracket and if you don't put the plus sign here, you will get a little bit confused. Clear?
Yes.
Have you
Yes,
got
sir.
this? Why I have written the -3 in bracket?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Very good.
Yes.
So x plus a. So first identity will, so this identity will be x square plus a plus b, which is -3 and 5 into x plus -3 into 2. Yes or no?
2.
Yes.
Yeah.
So x square plus -3 and plus 5, it will be positive of 2 x.
Yes.
3 in -3 into 2 -6. So this is your value. Clear? Have you got this? How to apply these identities on the questions?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure, Simrat? Sure, Abdul?
Mm.
Like
Yes.
this question has like numerous, this topic has numerous questions. So I'm like, I need to cover as much as possible in the class itself. Clear?
Yes.
So it's a question without, we don't have to multiply this thing. We have to apply the identity. If you see these kinds of questions, just you need to do what? It's a simple thing. So can I write 105 as into 106? Can I write 100 plus 5 into
100
100
plus 6.
plus
Yeah.
6? Simrat Abdul, is that clear? Can I write this or not?
Yes, you can write, sir.
Very good. Let's identify which one is x, which one is a, which one is b. So x is 100. So in both the term, x is common. The same pattern goes with the x plus a into x plus b wali identity.
Yes.
Yes, Abdul and Simrat?
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good. A is 5 and b is 6. Clear? Let's
Yes.
apply the identity, which is x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b. You have to write the identity as well in the exam, okay? Both of you. You don't
Yes, sir.
miss any identity in there, okay? So just you have to replace this as 100 plus 5 into 100 plus 6. So put the value, now put the, what is the value of x is 100. So 100 square plus a plus b, 5 and 6. 5 plus 6, what is the value of 100? Can anybody tell me?
Sir, x
What is the value of x?
100.
100. Because 100, x is also there, na?
Yes, sir.
Please try to, like while writing these identities, don't be in hurry. Write the identities very cautiously. Clear? Plus a into b, 5 into 6. Okay, whenever you have to solve these kinds of questions, write the values here, because if you don't write the value, you will get confused which value is here. So that's why I've written down the values here so that I don't get confused. Clear? And everybody, I'm telling you the steps how to write the solution in the exam, like how to avoid the confusion. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So 100, so it will be 10,000 plus 1100, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 into 100, it would be 1100 plus 30. So if you add them, this will be 11130. Clear, everybody? So you have to solve this type of question without multiplying using these identities.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Very good.
No.
Very good. Let's take some identities here.
Sir, can you give one more?
Yes, I'm taking some questions, Jen. Don't worry. You
Yes.
have to factorize the thing here.
Sir, give less than 100. So how we have to do that?
Okay. So here's one question. If you want similar kind of question, let me take from the exercise. Just a second.
Sir, this one questions you are giving from notes or from yourself?
Sorry, Abdul. This is basically from the NCRT. Okay. The question which I give you in homework is from NCRT and from other sources as well. Okay.
Okay.
Because in the school exams you are getting the NCRT, like majority of the NCRT questions. I've covered the NCRT plus examples of NCRT in the class itself. Clear? So
Clear, sir.
that's what your practice become more efficient, because you are already covering the NCRT in this class. It's similar kind of question. Is this visible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good.
Sir, I will solve.
Yes, let me solve here, and you can solve as well directly in your copy, dear.
Okay, sir.
And let me know whether it's correct or not. We will verify it with my answer. So, Simrat and Abdul, dear, can I write 95 as and 96 as 90? Or you can say not 90.
Sir, 100
100
minus.
minus 4. Yes.
Yeah.
You can take both of the terms. Like, it's up to you. 100 minus 5, yes or no?
Yes, sir. But teachers are saying this one is easy.
Yes. So basically, calculation will be same. Only the sign will change. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So 100 minus 4. So both of the options you have, you can 90 plus 5, but if you take 90 plus 5, the basically the square of 90 would be a little bit cumbersome to calculate. Clear? So that's why I'm taking 100, because it's squaring 100 is a little bit easy.
Yes, sir.
So X is 100, A is 5, and B is 4. So I have to write this as X minus A into X minus B equals to, or you can say that you can write this thing as 100 plus minus 4 if you take this thing in bracket, and 100 plus, this is 5, sorry, minus 4. Clear? So you can use this identity, X plus 1, X plus A into X plus B. So this would be X square plus A plus B into X plus AB. Okay. Put the value. What is the value of X? It is 100 square plus sign. So this will become
Minus
negative.
5. Yes,
Minus 5 and minus 4 into 100 again.
Plus 20.
Plus minus 5 into minus 4. Simrat, is that clear to you? Yes. Abdul. Simrat, are you there, dear? Are you fine?
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay. So this is 10,000 minus 9, sorry, positive 9 into, 100 plus 20. Not 200, it's 20.
20.
Okay, equals to 10,000 minus 9 into 100. It will be 900, yes or no, Simrat? And Abdul?
Yes.
And 20. So Simrat, tell me, dear, 10,000 minus 900. It will be 9,100.
9,120.
Yes, very good, Abdul. Plus 20.
Plus 20.
So 9,120. This is your answer.
Yeah.
Clear, Simrat and Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Sure, Simrat and Abdul?
Clear, sir. Sure.
Very good. So let's take one more example, like another example of this, because it's a little bit different example. basically you have to make the identities of these, you can say the fact, the expressions. Okay. In the previous thing, we have to expand yes or no. In the previous question, we have done nothing but we have expanded the thing. But in this, expanded is there. You have to shrink it in the identity. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay. Let me write down the first question here. It's 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. Okay. Your first step should be, what is this, like, can you imagine that, like, try to think in your mind, is that 49 is a square of which number? Abdul
7.
Simran, 7. Very good. So can I write this 49a square as 7a whole square?
Yes.
Because this power will be distributed to both of the terms. 7 will get 7 square will 49 and a square will be a square, 49 into a square. So this will be the same thing, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Simran
sir.
and Abdul, it's clear?
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good. Plus, so I'm not taking something here. Let me take y thing as well. Y thing first. So can you take which number has the square root of, basically the like square of 25? Which number should we get, like, think in your mind that squaring of that number you will give the 45. Sorry, 25, not 45, 25. Which number, if you square the number, which number will give you the value 25 while, like, after squaring?
5.
5. Very good. So can I write 25b square as 5b whole square?
Yes.
Yes or no? So now you
Yes.
can think that you have got the value of x as 7a, the value of y as 5b. Now you can see, observe, both the terms are positive. All the terms are positive, which means that the middle term, which is of, like, not, which is of linear term, which is the middle terms, you can say, will be positive as well. Yes or no?
Yes.
Simrat
Yes.
and Abdul, clear?
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Okay. So can I write this as 2 into 7a into 5b? Multiply this thing. 2 sevens are 14. Yes or no?
Yes.
And 14 into 5, 70.
70.
A into B, AB. So I have splitted this term in this, using this, because I just want to be accurate, that without by multiplying, we don't get any like wrong answer. Clear?
Yes.
So now can you tell me which identity is getting, basically you are saying which identity is there in this question? This is nothing but x square. This is nothing but y square. This is 2 into, this is the value of x. This is the value of y. Can you tell me? And positive sign is there and positive sign is there. Can I write this identity as x square plus 2xy plus y square?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So this will be nothing but, so can I
Value of
write this identity as 7a plus 5b whole square?
yes, sir.
Simrat, Abdul,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Simrat, clear?
Yes.
Any doubt, Abdul and Simrat?
No,
No.
sir.
Sure?
Yes.
Very good. I think Simrat, you are a
Sure.
little bit uncomfortable. I think so, because your voice is not up to the mark. I can understand, but a little bit patient here, because if you miss the class, that would be not helpful for you, because your exams are around the corner. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Like, I appreciate your, you can say, patience and determination. Very good.
Thank you.
Right. Okay, welcome dear. So let's understand this thing, okay, both of you. Okay. So
Yes.
this is a question given as 25 by 4 x square minus y square by 9. Okay. Clear? Any doubt in this?
No.
Now think a little bit. What can we do with this? You can say this example, this question. This is nothing but Simrat and Abdul. 25. If you square 5, you will get 25. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If you if you square 2, you will get 4. So can I write this term as 5
Yes.
by 2x whole square? If you square this bracket, if you multiply this bracket inside, this will 5 will become 25, 2 will become 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And x will be x square minus. Can I write y by 3 whole square? Y by 9 is y square by 9.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Abdul and Simrat, very good, Abdul. You are responding very well in the class. I'm impressed. Yes, Simrat, dear, and Abdul,
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
So this is nothing but which identity? Can you anybody tell me? This is an identity.
Yes, sir.
Which identity?
Mm,
Which identity? Try to like squeeze your mind.
sir, not getting.
Yes, Abdul.
Don't know, sir.
So isn't it the identity? Just a second. This is the whole value. Suppose this value is a. This is square of this bracket minus. This is whole value as b. Square of the bracket. A square minus b square. Are you able to recognize it?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
what should be the expansion of this identity? Tell me. Nothing but 5 by 2x plus y by 3
Yeah.
into 5 by 2x minus y by 3. Yes or no? So that's your
Yes.
answer.
Yeah, sir.
Clear?
A square minus B square.
Very good. Because I'm like both of you dear, I'm taking a and x because in the like interchangeably, because in some of the question a is given, so I have to assume that thing is x, because if I take again a, so it would be a little bit confusing thing, and in this x is given, so I have taken this as a. So don't get confused. Identity will remain same if you take any of the variable. It's up to you. You can take any variable s, t, u, v, z. You can take whole abcd in the variable thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's up to you in which thing you are comfortable. Clear?
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Any doubt?
No, no.
No.
Sure.
Yes.
Let's take
No.
one more example. Okay. Yes, give me a second. Let me take one more example. Just a second. Which identity? Which question is there? Okay. So I'm giving you one question. So Simrat, are you able to write with the left hand? Yes or no? Let me know just once. If not,
A little bit.
little bit. Dear, if you can try this question, because listening is also good, but if you can try with the left hand, in any, like, it's a, like, it's, you will be only seeing your handwriting, so don't worry about it. So if you can try this question, how to basically split this thing, like I've done in the similar this question, yes or no? So this is a similar question. I'm giving you 2 minutes, like 3 minutes, okay? So this is a very simple question, Abdul and Simrat. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So try to do it, dear. Okay.
Yes, sir. I will do. Just give me some time.
Okay, sure. Simrat, you both, dear, you as well, dear. Try to just at least try. I'm not saying solve it properly, at least try, so that you can memorize the things and implement the thing in your mind and analyze as well. Clear? That's why I'm just saying.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Just do it. Yes, Abdul. Yes. Actually, I'm not able to see it here. Yes, this is the question. Okay. Okay. Yes, very good. Very good. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct.
Sir, the x is equal to 3x and y is equal to y. Answer is 3x plus y square. We should write.
Yes, dear. Absolutely correct. Simrat, any answer from your side, dear?
Yes.
Yes, dear.
3x plus y into 3x minus y.
3x plus y into 3x minus y. How? So let's take, let me explain to you. Like, you have made a little mistake, minus mistake. Let me correct that.
Okay.
So 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Yes or no? This is the same expression of algebraic, same. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Can I write 3x as 9x square as 3x whole square?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Y square will remain as it is based, because nothing, no coefficient is there with multiplied with y, because it's 1. So if you square 1, it will be 1.
Yes.
Clear? So if you take bracket or not bracket, if the coefficient is 1, that would be same. Clear?
Yes.
So plus, if you take, can I write, so this is a kind of identity, 2 into 3x into y. This
Yes.
is a square plus this is 2a into b, and this is b square. Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this will be a square plus b, 2ab into plus b square, sorry. So this is nothing but a plus b whole square. Yes or no?
Yes.
In
Yes, sir.
this thing, what is the value of a? It is 3x.
3x.
Value of b is y.
Y.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Let me take bracket here as well, so that you don't get confused. Clear? Put the
Clear.
value, just put the value here, but 3x plus y whole square. Clear? This is your answer. So that's why I just asked you, basically I urge you to say that write the value of like a and b, like whether it's, if it's given in x, so take a as your second variable to store this, and if your value is a, so take x to store that variable. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay,
No,
very
sir.
good. Just give me a second. So let me take one question here as well. Okay, so one question is, it's a very good question. Again, giving you 3 minutes because it's already been like 45 to 50 minutes concept. So I need like, I want that you should practice some questions in the class itself, because practice is a much necessary part of the maths class. So that's why I'm giving you one more question. Try to apply that identity, like try to find out which identity is this. Is this visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve it. Giving you 3 minutes again.
Sir, just 5 minutes. Sir,
Yes, Abdul. Actually, not able to see. Just a little bit shift in the camera on the right hand side.
I cannot see my camera. That's why I don't know where I am.
Okay. Just a second. Okay, don't worry. Let's solve out whether you have done it. Simrat, and any like Abdul, we will verify your answer. Yes. Got it. Yes. Correct. Simrat, have you any answer here?
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
Y raised to 4
Hmm.
minus
Hmm.
9 by 4.
Very good, dear. All very good to all of both of you. Very good. Just a second. So this is your, suppose, so basically this part is given as y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. So you can see that if I take a as this and b as this, a as this and b as this, it will be a plus b into a minus b.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This
Which
is
means that a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square
square
minus
minus
b
b
square. And the value of a is y square, b is 3 by
3 by
2.
2.
Just put the value here. So y square to the power square minus 3 by
3 by
2 to
2
the power square, which is y to the power 4 minus 9 by 4. This is your answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
The 9
No.
2 to the
Any doubt? Anybody? Simrat and Abdul, is that clear?
Yes.
clear, sir.
Are you
So-
able now? You can see that. Are you now? Let me know. Are you able to implement? Are you able to identify the identities? How to basically split them or manipulate them? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No.
Sure.
Sure.
Yes.
Very good. So almost it's time, like already time up. Only 2 minutes are left for the class. Like so, just so like no, like time is not there to solve any of the question. So okay, so is that clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
So we have done with the
Yes.
first part of the algebraic identities. Clear? Okay, only
Yes,
so last part is left of the algebraic identities, which is we will be covering in the tomorrow class. Clear?
Okay.
So after that, we will be like we will be done with the polynomial chapter.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So Abdul,
Sir,
dear,
after this chapter, which we will be doing?
Abdul, we will be doing a lines and angles chapter.
Yes, sir. I'm doing that in continuation now.
In the
I'm doing this chapter now.
lines angles.
Yeah, in school.
Okay, so that would be very good for you, so that your school and classes will be like having your same chapter. So that would be beneficial for you as well.
Yeah.
Abdul, do one thing is that, dear, after this class, send me your school syllabus, which chapters are coming in your midterm. Only the chapter name on the official number. Basically, you have received the link of this meeting now. On the
Yes,
same
sir.
number, just type the chapter names and they will forward it to me, so that I can get the idea which chapters are basically are there in your school syllabus.
Yes,
Because
sir.
Simrat has some different like 2 to 3 like 3 or 4 chapters will be common, but other will be some different. So I need to like know
I'll send the old chapters. Okay.
which are coming in your midterm right now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I need at this point of time, dear, I need the chapters which are coming in midterm, because you are having the midterms after this month.
Yes, sir.
So I need to first cover up your syllabus of midterm. Clear? So send me the midterm syllabus first, and after that we will be doing the other chapter as well. But let me know the chapters in the midterm first. Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, where will I sending you?
On the official number, you have received the link. Type the chapter name which are coming in your midterm on the same number.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt,
Understood.
Simrat, Abdul?
No, sir.
Okay, dear. Both of you. Yes, yes, Simrat. Any words?
No.
Simrat,
Yes.
any words?
No.
Okay. So both of you, thank you so much for coming to this class, and